Here are five practices that are good for your eyes. Good, important, beneficial, necessary for your eyes. So we'll delve right in. The first practice is having a comprehensive eye examination at least 2 times in a year. It's recommended that at least twice in a year, which is every 6 months, 6 months interval, we as humans, as children of God, yes, take a trip to the eye clinic and have a full eye examination. It is very essential for your eyes as it will help detect or diagnose any upcoming disease or any disease that has not started manifesting or showing you symptoms. So you should endeavor to have your eyes checked at least once a year, especially this new year that we're entering in less than 1 month. Then before we go right to the second one, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Ufoma Juliet Onomure. I am your favorite eye doctor. Yes, and today we're talking about five things, five practices that are good for your eyes, and we encourage you to do these things, do these practices. Let your friends know, share with your friends, share with your neighbors, your work colleagues, everyone, share with them. All right. Yes, like this video, share. If you're seeing it for the first time, please do well to subscribe. All right, so we've talked about the first practice that is good for your eyes. So the second practice that is good for your eyes is maintaining perfect health, right? The body works together. All the parts of the body, they work hand in hand. So if you are sick, generally, systemically, definitely most of the time they have manifestations in the eye. If you are diabetic, it has manifestations in the eye. I'm not going to go about those manifestations, talk about those manifestations today. We'll discuss them in another video. But if you're diabetic, if you're hypertensive, if you have sickle cell, you have HIV, a host of them, they have manifestations in the eye. So make sure your health is okay. You are healthy generally. You don't have an issue. If you have any sickness, do well to have that treated, have that sorted out, so you don't start having ocular manifestations. Yes. So outside that, the third practice that is good, beneficial, important for your eyes is knowing your family history. A family oculovisual history, that means the history, your eye history of your family, right? Your grandparents, your great grandparents, your mother, your father, know their eye history. It may sound weird to some people to just get up and go ask their mom, oh, mom, tell me about our eye history. Is there anybody having any eye problem? It may sound weird to some people, but that is how it's supposed to be. So you walk to your dad, walk to your mom, ask them, mom, dad, how is the eye history of our family, our relatives? Is there any hereditary issue, any hereditary eye problem? Is there anyone that went blind before they died? Is there anyone having serious issues right now? So it's good to discuss these things. Ask your parents what the oculovisual history of your family is. That way you'll be able to know if you are at risk. You'll be able to know what's in your family and what you should avoid and what to tell your doctor when you visit the eye clinic next. So do well to ask your mom, ask your dad today, right? So this brings us to the fourth practice that is very good for our eyes, and that is wearing protective goggles. Wear protective goggles, okay? If you have any job that requires you exposing yourself to a lot of work hazard, if you're a welder, if you're a carpenter, whatever job you are doing, so long you're going to expose yourself to an amount of risk, do well to wear protective goggles, okay? Then the fourth practice, right, that is good for your eyes, for your ocular system, is maintaining a healthy diet. We encourage you to do well to eat right, eat good food, eat fruits. We encourage you to eat fruits, a whole lot of fruits, carrots, vegetables, good fruits, citruses, and the rest of them. Eat good fruits, right? Maintain a healthy diet, eat a lot of fish, reduce the amount of meat you eat, reduce the amount of carbohydrates you ingest on a daily basis. I usually tell my patients, for instance, you eat 3 times a day, 3 square meals. Tell yourself, okay, today I'm going to just eat two meals, like two meals, two full meals. Then one of it should be fruits, just fruits. Do you understand? So it should be, for instance, you eat in the morning, in the afternoon you should eat only fruits, in the evening you should eat normal food, or you eat morning normal food morning, afternoon, then evening eat just fruits. There's a way you can alternate it. Then after that, you can now start practicing eating one normal food, right? And then the second and the third will be just fruits. So we really encourage you to do that. It helps your eyes a whole lot. Most of those fruits are, they contain antioxidants, and antioxidants, they are good for your retina, they are good for your eyes, they are good for your body as a whole. So do well to eat right. Eat the best food. We're going to drop a list of meals and fruits that will help you have a good visual system, that will help your eyes to see and to feel better. All right. So now we've covered five things. There are other factors, other things, other practices that are good for your eyes, for your visual system. But we're not going to go into those ones today. To be in our next video, from the 6 reasons down to the 10th reason, so that you know things that you should practice to make your eyes feel better. Do well to have your eyes checked, okay? Have your eyes checked. Check with the eye clinic. If you have issues as to which eye clinic you should go to, do what, send a DM. We will attend to you appropriately. Alright guys, so like this video, share and subscribe if you're watching this video for the first time. Follow us on all our social media channels, on Instagram at Dr_Ufoma Juliet, on YouTube Ufoma Juliet, on TikTok the Ufoma or Dr_Ufoma_Ufoma, right? On Facebook Ufoma Juliet on normal way. Do well to follow us on our channels, and we will do right by you. All right, bye.